Hey everyone, Simply You Makeup here. I am back to film another video in by to Boxycharm. So I did a full face makeup with every product that I've received from Boxycharm. So you can see, Boxycharm been good to me. I loved it. I filmed that video already. I had lipstick, everything, but they were cleaning the house next door and it was very, very noisy. So after that video, I just decided I will wait to do my Boxycharm. So that's why I have no lipstick, because I went about my business and cook and eat. So if my mouth is dirty, that is what it is. But I just want to finish this because I am saying bye to Boxycharm. I decided last year, February, it was just around this time last year when I decided to join Boxycharm because I wanted to get palettes from Boxycharm. So this was the way I was going to do it. And I loved it. And now this is 2022 and it's February and I'm getting my last Boxycharm. So exactly 1 year to the date. This is it. I already canceled, so I won't be getting one for March unless there's a miracle happening. But let's see what we got in this Boxycharm, my last Boxycharm. It's kind of sad I'm saying bye, but hey, I promised myself 1 year. 1 year, 1 year. This is the Boxycharm. This is everything in there. Let's see. There's the card. There's the rest of the stuff. As you know, Boxycharm is 5 full-size items. Boxycharm, Be My Glamantine. Oh, like Be My Valentine. So again, that's the card from Boxycharm. It is so sad I gotta say goodbye. Very sad, but I am saying goodbye. Oh, so again, it's the pink on the inside. Like, I like it. It's not as bright pink, but it's a pink. Like it. Boxycharm, I gotta say bye. Okay. So the first thing on this is Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream. And that is $32. Let's find that. And this is the packaging. This is it right here. And it has this little cover on there. So it says Sunday Skin on there, on this right here. The next item says Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara, and that's $23. Okay, I don't think I have anything Stila, so ooh, okay, the Stila. Let me. This is the Stila mascara. We'll open. I'm not gonna open the mascara itself, but I'll show you the packaging. Ooh, pretty packaging. I like it. So that's the mascara. I'm not opening it. I have 4 mascaras going right now. 4, maybe more. And the third item is called Yenza Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. That's $35. This primer is the perfect first step to achieving a superfood glow. Superfood. Okay, superfood threw me right off the bus. Okay, let's try this again. This primer is a perfect first step to achieving a superfood glow. Infused with 8 superfood powered skin loving ingredients to help minimize the appearance of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles. Okay, it is $32. Let's see what it looks like. Where is it? Okay, this is this. And a 2. I like the bottle. It's a plastic bottle, but I like the shape. My 4th item in the box is Alley-Oop Multitasker 4-in-1 Makeup Brush. An award-winning multitasker brush combined with the 4 most essential makeup applicators, including a sponge, brush, brow, and eyeshadow brush. $28. Synthetic fibers. So this is this. This is my last Boxycharm, and the box looks so small. I'm not sure what's in there after a whole year of Boxycharm. I get a small box. I wanted a big box. Okay, this is this. Taking it up from this. So what, 4-in-1? Yeah, 4-in-1 multitasker. Okay, so here's the sponge. Here is the brush. Is there another piece? Oh, fancy, fancy. Okay. Okay, so let's do this. Let's do it again. This is the sponge. This is a brush. You twist and turn, and here is another one. Can you see? Yeah. Okay, so we close that back so we don't lose pieces. And this one, here we are. We have a flat one, a flat brush. I am liking this. Multitasker, they arrived. The last item on there is Estate Cosmetics Precision Felt Tip Liquid Liner for $12. Oh, the multitasker was $28, in case I didn't say that. This is my last box with Boxycharm. This is the precision liner. I'm opening both sides, whichever side it falls out first is what wins. Apparently either side doesn't. I look trouble. Okay, I'll just push it so it can come out. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Pull, and this is this. This is cute. I like it. This is my last box with Boxycharm, and I did not get an eyeshadow palette. Can you imagine that? Not an eyeshadow palette. I got a lot of good stuff. I like the stuff I received. I got a mascara, that's a makeup item. I got a liner, which is good. I got primer. I got a brush. Well, 4 brushes in one. And I get eye cream. I like what I get, but I would love to go out with a bang with a palette, because when I joined Boxycharm, it was for the palettes. And I did get a palette in every box except the last one. What's up, Boxycharm? I am telling you, this is so interesting. But I am saying bye to Boxycharm. I'm sad I gotta say bye, but I had saved up just enough for a year to get Boxycharm. So now the year is up. The funds for Boxycharm is done. So no more Boxycharm. So this is it. This is it. This is it. Tell me what you think about this Boxycharm box. I like the things I get, but I would have loved to get a palette. Boxycharm, if you ever see this, you owe me a palette. That's it. This is everything that I have for my going away Boxycharm, for my bye-bye Boxycharm. This is it. This is so crazy. The word for today is power. Power. Know your power. You have powers within you. Know your power. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. My last Boxycharm. I am saying bye from my last Boxycharm. But you'll see a lot more videos with makeup. You know what I mean? But this is my Boxycharm look. It's up on you. It will be up on YouTube, so check it out. Bye. This is just too funny. I just thought last box you'll get eyeshadow palette. Nope. No. Boxycharm is not giving me a last minute our last box palette. Why Boxycharm? Why? That is not fair. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. See you soon. My last box. This is terrible, Boxycharm. I wanted a palette. I like everything I get, but I really wanted a palette. A palette.